Day 2 for Arm Recognition editorial team at MSPO 2021, the International Defense Industry Exhibition in Kielce, Poland. Poland continued to develop and design new combat vehicles and to upgrade and to modernize its armed forces. Behind me you can see a sample of the new design of a BWP-1, an infantry fighting vehicle who is in service with the Polish army but fitted with a new weapon system and new armor. One of the highlights of the show is the presence of the M1A2 SEP-V2 main battle tanks of the US Army. But what is very unique is the integration of the Rafale Trophy active protection system, which is able to counter incoming threats as anti-tank guided missile.
I'm Lieutenant Colonel Wesołowski. I'm head of Airfield Pavement Division in Air Force Institute of Technology. We are a research institute in Polish Military Air Force. Today I would like to present our new product. It's a Bison. It's a testing machine to measure load-bearing capacity of natural airfield pavements. It's unmanned platform with electric engines, in addition with UAV to checking FOD procedure to all kinds of airports, civil and military too. Nowadays, all over the world, to measure bearing capacity of natural pavements in the airfield, we are using dynamic cone penetrometer. It's a normal method of testing a sub-base in natural pavements. We built a new testing machine and of course new methodology, new methods to measure much faster in today's method. Is continuous method, not point but continuous. Time of work our machine is 8 hours. Of course we have electric engines and batteries which allows to work our machine for 8 hours. UAV is used addition to FOD procedure checking in our airfields. This is very important for aircraft safety during aircraft operations.
My name is Nick Larinaga and I'm responsible for communications with MBDA. This is a launcher that's in service with the British Army today. It was developed to replace the previous Rapier system, and here in Poland we're offering it for the Narew air defence requirement, and we're proposing together with PGZ that this would be a system made in Poland. It's designed to be mounted on a wheeled chassis, but it has the ability to dismount itself to operate in a static configuration. So here we have it in a static setup. Normally it would be carried on a wheeled vehicle. It carries 8 missiles ready to fire with any member of the CAM family. At the moment we have 2 main members of the CAM family, the CAM standard CAM missile and the CAM-ER missile. The CAM has a range of around 25 kilometer class, whereas CAM-ER is in the 45 kilometer class. Both missiles are essentially identical, with the one difference being the size of their rocket booster. The missiles are particularly noteworthy for 2 particular reasons. One is their solid-state active RF radar seeker, and the second is their data linking, two-way data linking, to allow for network-centric operations. So it's designed to operate either as part of a network battery configuration, or the launcher can operate in a standalone configuration, because within the launcher is already a high degree of intelligence, including a native C2 within the launcher, as well as a two-way data link that communicates with the missile and can communicate with other launchers and sensors. It also has the option of having an EOIR sensor, which can be used for independent target engagement.
My name is Uisong Lee. I am Vice President of Hyundai Rotem Company. We produce high-speed train and ground weapon systems, including the main battle tank. K2 is equipped with advanced armors. It has a world-best in-arm suspension unit, and the main gun is a 120mm 55 caliber smooth spore gun, which is fully chromed. K2 has the auto-loading system. So number of crews is 3 instead of 4. It has fire control system and combat integration system and others. The weight of K2 is 56 tons. It's lighter than other major main battle tanks. The smaller, the less probability to be hit by the enemy. K2PL will have more advanced digital system, which is very important in modern warfare. It will be equipped with higher protection and also one of the best main gun, and it will be very mobile. All the specifications and design will be tailored to fulfill the requirements of Polish military. It will have more weight, more protection, and the size will be increased compared to the K2, but still lighter and smaller than others. It will be equipped with a hard kill active protection system and remote weapon systems and the 360-degree awareness system, all the new digital systems, including the battle management system. As a senior member of Hyundai, I sincerely hope that Hyundai Rotem Company will be able to contribute to the world peace and the economy and defense of Poland.
I'm Johnny Chabalala. I'm the marketing director at Bruza Tech. The company does designing and manufacturing and supply of combat vehicles such as this one. This is Bruza 212, where we went and we changed a couple of things on the vehicle. For example, increased protection, made sure that we can power the vehicle with a bigger power plant, transmission and transfer case, and we also armored the vehicle so that it can be able to take more stronger munitions. The vehicle's name is Bruza 212, but the combat made is a combination of the South African vehicle Bruza 212 and the system that is supplied by our Polish partners with WB Group. We design and manufacture the vehicle and we supplied the vehicle as is to the partners here in Poland, WB Group, and then they went and integrated communication systems. They went and integrated the remote control weapon system with the weapon, and they also integrated a war-made system, which is small loitering munition system. The vehicle can be fitted so far with two types of engines, where we can have, at present it has a MWM engine and an Allison transmission. The vehicle has upgradable protection levels, for example. Depending on the requirement and the threat in the operational environment, the vehicle can be designed and protected as such. The vehicle can take explosives on any wheel of the vehicle and the belly of the vehicle, and crew survivability is guaranteed. On IED side, because IEDs are a threat today, the vehicle is also designed that it can take 50 kilograms of IED at least 5 meters from the side of the vehicle. The vehicle is also fitted with the remote control weapon system, as I said, and the controls of the remote control weapon system is on the left-hand side of the vehicle, and on the right-hand side, where my colleague is seated, you will find the controls of the war-mate, which is a loitering system, as I explained. And then at the bottom further, you will see communication systems of the vehicle. It is able to communicate either UHF, VHF, HF, and it also has the capability that it can talk on the local network or civilian network. The vehicle is designed so that it can be in a number of variants. The vehicle is ready for production. The vehicle has been tested by an independent body in South Africa, where we did field trials, we did suspension trials, hill climb trials, and we also did blast tests on the vehicle.